welcome back to today's video. So welcome to my second filming location that I set up. This is my first time filming with this background and I really like it. I feel like it's super cozy and cute and just boho, and I am loving it. So I wanted to have another backdrop for you guys, just so I could switch it up a little bit. Even have a little bit of my window here. So this is where I usually edit my videos. This is my computer back here. For the video today, I'm going to be unboxing my May Boxycharm. We have it right here. I am super excited to see what's inside. You guys know the drill. I have not looked at any sneak peeks and I like it to be a surprise for both me and for you guys. I just think it's more fun that way. So if you want to find out what I got in this month's Boxycharm, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also tap that little bell because you will get notified on your phone when I upload a new video. And let's just get on into it and see what is inside. Actually a Boxycharm affiliate. They send this box to me every month for free, so thank you so much to Boxycharm for that. And a lot of times you guys ask me, like, do I get a better box because I'm an influencer? Honestly, no, I don't think so at all. Sometimes I see people get the Natasha Denona palettes and then I don't get one of those. Not that it matters, but I'm just seeing, like, I don't think I'm favored because I'm an influencer. I think I just get a box that everyone else does. It's not like a special box. And also, if you guys want to sign up for a Boxycharm using my code, it will be linked to my description box. A small commission if you guys sign up using my link. That is all appreciated. So thank you guys so much for using my links. It means the world to me. What I do when I open Boxycharm is I don't look. I literally just reach my hand in and see what I pull out. Product number one. This is a Murad. So we have starting out strong with some skincare. This is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Going old school YouTube, holding up the product. I really like Murad products. I do have one of their vitamin C products that I really enjoy as well. This does have fragrance. It says it detoxifies and revitalizes skin overnight. Also pollution and blue light from electronic devices. I've noticed that has been a huge trend with skincare recently. I guess because we're all on our phones, so it's inevitable that brands are starting to put out all these blue light products. And it's one of those things where it's like you don't know if it's working. So I'm always like, it's cool, but is it like actually working? I don't know, because it's kind of like blue light glasses. So it says it has marubium plant stem cell to strengthen the skin's barrier and help get rid of pollutants, and it also has vitamin C to brighten an even tone. I do really like vitamin C. I find that it makes a big difference in my skin just to keep everything even. Vitamin C is definitely something that's newer to my routine. Like I'd say within the past year is when I started incorporating vitamin C. Murad products are also pretty pricey, so I'm thinking we started out real strong with this product. I'll have to see how much it retails for, but it does have that really cool pump that you press down on and the product comes out. So there we go. That's a good one. Let's see what else we have here. Product number two. Beekman Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. So I actually saw this brand in my Ulta shop with me. I think that was like a month or two ago. So this was a newer brand. It's called Beekman 18. I've been trying out so many eye creams recently, but honestly I don't mind. I like trying out different ones. I don't mind trying out different eye creams as opposed to like different skin creams because you don't really get any acne or anything in that region. So for me, it's fine to test out different ones. So this one has goat milk colostrum and milk probiotic. There's no fragrance, sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, alcohol, no talc, formaldehyde, and it is Leaping Bunny certified. The packaging is 100% recyclable, which is really interesting. I do appreciate that. Ooh, it's even made in New York. It says special blend of goat milk that absorbs into the skin and illuminates the under eyes. I definitely like anything that helps to illuminate under eyes and help with dark circles and all that. I don't really have bad dark circles, so it's not like too big of an issue for me, but I'm totally down to try. There's the bottle. Let's see what the texture is like. Just recently opened up an eye cream. Who makes that one? I got another eye cream in the mail that I had been testing. There's no fragrance or anything like that. Just, you're not gonna be able to see anything, but I just wanted to feel what it was like. Definitely feels pretty smooth on my hand, and I can see it does have a little bit of that illuminating quality to it. So yeah, my hand looks really smooth after applying that actually when I'm comparing this hand and this hand. So I definitely think it could make a nice difference. So it is. I actually go through eye creams pretty quickly, believe it or not, because I use it, you know, twice a day, and I'm pretty like ritualed with it. I always like to apply my eye cream. I've gotten pretty serious about my skincare. Okay, product number three. Is this a lip product? Yes, I was right. This brand I've never heard of, Sophia and Mabel Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm. Right, so let's see. The shade is called Topless. It's just like a brownish nude tone. See, these kinds of shades where it's like a little too brown, I don't think they look the best on me. I feel like this would be really pretty on a different skin tone than mine, but there we go. It's cute. Yeah, so I'll probably honestly end up putting this into a giveaway. I don't want to swatch it or anything, but that is the Hydrating Hybrid. If anyone's heard of that brand, let me know. Number 4, Ciate. So I feel like Ciate is always in every box. I don't know why, but they've become like a box brand to me. So this is the Shadow Flip. Oh, okay, so I just, in my lip declutter, I showed you guys they had the glitter flip. That was like all the rage. It was like you put your lips together and the glitter shows up, and it was like a very drying liquid lipstick formula. But anyway, this is the shadow version, maybe. Multi-chromatic shifting liquid shadow. All right, let's see what this looks like. I'm definitely curious. Ooh, okay. That is so pretty. You can see the chrome so well. I feel like chrome is a huge other trend right now. I just got a package in the mail from, if you guys remember that brand, Deck of Scarlet. I feel like they like disappeared and now they came back with products, and they have these new duochrome eyeliners. I'll show you guys. So they came out with these duochrome eyeliners. You can see one side is black and then one side is chrome. They're actually really cool, so you can like layer them. That's why I'm saying like I feel like this is a big trend, seeing all these chrome things like those. And then this one is so pretty. So wow, I'm excited to try this. This also reminds me of the Natasha Denona chrome eyeshadows, but those are like super pricey. This is cruelty free and vegan. Let's actually do a little swatchy of this. So these are interesting. Turn your hand, you can kind of see the color shift. So I feel like we went from glitter and now we're on to chrome, duochrome shifting shades. Personally, I still like glitter more. That's just me, but I still think these are pretty cool to look at like in the bottle. I don't know how this would look on my lid, but there we go. Shift, you have to kind of like move around to see. It kind of shifts from green to like a rust color. So I'm definitely down to try that out, and I really do love those chrome liquid liners I was showing you guys. They are super cool. Okay, the last product, I feel like this went by so quickly. What is this? Skin Ink Daily Dose. This is a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid serums from Japan. My daily dose of uplift. Can you see all the little capsules in there? It says made in Japan. And where are you ingredients? I have glycerin, collagen, hyaluronic acid, no fragrance, so that's pretty good. It says conquer signs of aging with collagen, energize skin with coenzyme Q10, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and it says to put this on before applying moisturizer. And it also has 100% pure ingredients, and it has seaweed encapsulate. I've never heard of this brand either, but this bottle is so pretty. Let me show you guys better, like up close so you can see. I feel like I am on this skincare overload. Like I have so many skincare products recently. This has been the year of brands just really honing in on skincare and new brands launching skincare. So yeah, I feel like this was definitely an interesting box. Was it my favorite? It really wasn't my favorite box, but let's take a look and see what all was inside. Let's see what the pricing was. So that Murad moisturizer, as suspected, pretty pricey, $74 retail. The Beekman Dewy Serum, $42. The Skin Ink Uplift, that is $65. So lots of like pricey skincare in this box for sure. The Ciate Shadow Flip was $20, and the Sophia Hydrating Lip was $15. So definitely a skincare focused box, and I always feel like, what do I consider a good box? I guess for me, I get really excited about a box when I have like a big, good makeup item, like a Too Faced face palette to me makes like a great box, or like when I get a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, that's a great box. So I guess that's what I qualify as one, but if you love skincare, then this would be like your favorite box. And for reference, I know you guys like to know what box number I get. I have C2105-116-BA. So as far as value goes, it was definitely an amazing value. Everything totaled up to $216, and Boxycharm is $25 for the month. So I am definitely impressed with that, and I think that is a crazy good value. So overall, I do think it was a really great box for the value. I just think I always like getting like a big makeup product, but the skincare, I'm really excited to try out everything. The shadow flip also was really cool too. So let me know if you guys got the same box as me. Are you still loving Boxycharm? Are you like, no, I'm over it? Or are you still loving getting your box every month? Let me know in the comments down below. I love chatting with you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. It is called Discount Dolly. The link will be down below. The link will be in my description box. It's going to be in the first few links, so subscribe to that because I'm uploading tons of videos over there. Dollar Tree shop with me, grocery shopping, hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, all sorts of fun stuff. So make sure you're following me over there because that's going to be my other place where I'm posting lots of fun content. And also follow me on my Dollar Tree Instagram. And I also have my Kim NUZZOLO Instagram. We have a lot going on here. TikTok. I do all the things, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!